Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, love to find the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. And I'm going to start vlogging and stuff like that. So if you like all that type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So yeah. So today, my hair is sticking to my lipstick. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. This is from multiple stores. I think 2 stores actually. And this is like a split haul, my aunt's stuff and my stuff. So yeah. So definitely grab yourself a drink. My Dollar Tree cup. And yeah, also I'm wearing my Dollar Tree pumping lip gloss and I definitely feel it pumping. But anyway, let's get started with like home stuff and that stuff first. So first off, this is new and I was kind of very excited about it. So this is the Prime 3 sticks, low calorie, 0 sugar, hydration plus sticks, strawberry watermelon electrolyte drink mix. So you just pour this into your water. And I'm curious on how, like what the sizing is of these. Because I know they have Prime drink with Dollar Tree, but never. Okay, so here's, yeah, so you just pour it into your water bottle. And there you go. And these are $1.25, just so you know. So I got the strawberry watermelon. There's other flavors too, so be on the hunt for that. Then got this tech cleaning kit, and again, everything I'm showing you guys is $1.25. Everything I show you guys is $1.25. So this is a total cleaning kit. Keep your information center and car interior clean with our 5-in-1 tech cleaning kit. Great for keeping your touchscreen, dials, tight spots, other devices smudge free. You get a brush, microfiber cloth, spray, small cleaning pick, and swab. So this is everything you get. And yeah, so we're going to actually open this to see what we get. Okay, so here it is. And I took the cap off. So we have this, and this brush slides in like that. And then on this side, you get the key puller. What is this? The spray. No, wait, no. This is the spray. You get the spray. And then this thing is like the 3-in-1 tool thing. So for $1.25, I don't think this is a bad deal. For all of this, this is a nice little kit for $1.25. And and then this is the microfiber cleaning cloth. This is the soft bristle cleaning brush, and then all the little things in there. So for $1.25, definitely pick this up, honestly. So, and then it comes with like little directions too, so you know what you're doing. Okay, then we got some new erasers. Again, you guys know I've collected these since I was like 5. So these are princess ones. We have a key, a ring, a castle, or a chest, a heart, and a little crown. Super cute. And then we have some barn animals. Like, how funny. Sheep, pig, tractor, horse, and a little chicken. So, yes. Okay, so then, again, this stuff is me and my aunt's fine, so I'm kind of, like, shocked by some of it. Okay, oh, I'm glad she got more of these. So these are little purse vases, which are freaking adorable. So we have the blue, the white, and the green. So I'm using mine as a pencil holder right now and a makeup brush holder. So definitely, if you guys find these, get them. They are amazing and such good quality. So yes, now we have some books. So we have this one. It always seems impossible until it's done. Motivation for Dreamers and Doers. So again, nice little book. $1.25, never a bad deal. Okay, then we have this one, which Target sticker. This is Worthy by Jada Pickett Smith. Like, are we joking? Like, what? And this retailed for $32. Do you know your worth? Who do you think deserves love? Who gets to feel cared for? Who is allowed grace for their mistakes? Who is given a pass in times of struggle? Who can defy the status quo to embrace their authenticity? Is it you? Okay, but again, Jada Pickett Smith, $1.25. Go to dollar store. Then our last book is this one. Scare Your Soul. 7 Powerful Principles to Harness Fear and Lead Your Most Courageous Life. And this was $29. This is an empowering, inspiring book. If you want to lead the life you're meant to lead, read this. So, I shall. So, yeah, definitely some great book finds at these 2 DTs. So, yes. Alright, so that is it for that. The last part of this haul will be all beauty and that kind of stuff. So we have this, and I have to hold it this angle because it's blinding, but it's a cotton swab dispenser. So you put your Q-tips in there and they dispense down here. I think that is amazing for $1.25. So, yeah. Then I got some more. We got new colors of the cosmetic cases. So I got this, like, the 2 blues because I'm obsessed with these, and I love these for travel. So we got the blue ones. Then my birthday is in a couple days, more than a couple, like 2 weeks. And so I got this face mask to do on my birthday night after I take off all my makeup. So this is the brightening facial mask in vanilla celebration. So I got that for my birthday night. Then, okay, my aunt got she got a cooling stick. I love these friggin' things. So she got one. Soothing and cooling face stick. So, got that. Then, this is one of my favorite face masks, and finally I'm seeing it resurface. Hyaluronic acid 1-shot ampoule mask. 1-shot care hydrating. So, yeah, I love this, so I'm excited to see it resurface. Okay, my aunt got herself a gummy bear sleeping mask. So, yay for that. I love them. I haven't seen them in forever. Then, I got a set of the spa wristbands. These are so amazing. And I like having them in, like, my travel bag, my bathroom, my makeup vanity, like, a sleepover bag. So, yeah, these are amazing. So, we got the pink pair. Then, got some new hair clips. I love having my hair up. I don't have it up in videos though, obviously, but like summer definitely. But I love the shape of these. So we have some beautiful like blue color, and then we have this pink and gray set. Okay, so my aunt got a plumping gloss in magenta. I'm wearing magenta right now. I love these. They're so like nice. So she got that. Oh, okay, and then she got one of the, Zodiac lipsticks, and this is in pink, and it's the Mood Lip Balm. So, that. Then, what else? Oh, okay. She got the highlighter stick, and this is in golden. Revitalizing stick highlighter in golden. So she got that. Ow. Okay, then she got the bronzer stick in deep tan. And I think and she also got soft tan. So, soft tan, deep tan. I'm so excited to use these. But she's excited to use them too. So we got deep tan and soft tan in the bronzer sticks. Then we have the watermelon lip oil. I'm obsessed with this. So, watermelon lip oil. Then she, of course, got the watermelon lip plumper. Okay, and then she got herself the brow tattoo, and this is in goat. So, the brow tattoo. Let me know if you guys try anything that I'm hauling, and let me know your opinion. Okay, she got a watermelon lip oil, and so did I. So, she got one of those. This makeup stuff is all her finds, so. Okay, she got another watermelon plumper. What else? Okay, she got a highlighter in champagne. Now she has both highlighters, champagne and golden. So, champagne. Okay, she listened to me. I told her if she finds this, get it, and she did. So, it's the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Mask Overnight. amazing, 10 out of 10. Oh, wait a minute. This is new by Clean Color Lip Gloss, but it's the Lip Plumper. Like, we've never seen this packaging. So we have this Lip Plumper, and this is in 03, by the way. Oh, okay, and then we have Clean Color Lip Gloss, Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. It's in this pretty pink color. Again, I don't ever remember seeing these. Okay, and then she got the blush in Rose. And then the blush in Raspberry. So she got both her blushes, both her bronzes, both her highlights. She's ready. I'm gonna have her do a makeup tutorial. Then got the watermelon scented lip scrub. I'm obsessed with this. I'm so glad she's trying it. Then, oh, new again. Okay, again by Clean Color, Very Berry Lip Balm. So, Very Berry Lip Balm by Clean Color. Then, another lip plumper by Clean Color. Look at the packaging of that, though. So, another lip plumper by Clean Color. And another with new packaging. It's like blue. So, we have this lip plumper. Okay, and then she just got a lipstick. What is this? Chiffon Doll. She got that one. Okay, and she got another lip plumper. Okay. Oh, Glaze. Oh no, this is not plumper. This is Glaze Craze, just high shine lip gloss. And it's just a clear gloss. Then the last thing she found is another lip plumper in 01. So, let's see. Okay, so plumper. I'm trying to figure out which ones are plumpers. Okay, so these two are plumpers, these two colors. Same with that color. And then this color. Those are all the plumpers. And then this one is just lip oil. And then these two are just lip glosses and no plumper. But that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on hunt for, I should be on hunt for. And don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.